Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to word horizontal page only one page 2. To start, open your Word document, check the available pages. After that, place the cursor on the second sheet. You are going to go to the Layout menu and in the Margins section, click on Custom Margins. Then, in the pop-up window, select Landscape. At the bottom, under Apply To, set this point forward. Now when you click OK, you will see that from the second sheet, the entire document will be horizontal. To avoid this, place the cursor on the third sheet. From Margins, click on Custom Margins. Here you are going to select the portrait option. Then below, under Apply To, select this point forward. Click on OK, and as you see, only the second sheet will be horizontal in Word. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.